Hola! Welcome to RENA MOMONEY Plus. I'm your girl, RENA MOMONEY, and today we're going to talk about some real estate terms that you should know and understand. This is part 2. Look at the previous video. You'll see in part 1 where we went over about 12 or 13 terms for you to know as you become a new real estate investor. This will help you to feel comfortable. This will get you into it. So come on in. On the previous video, we went over some common terms. We're going to continue this and make this part 2 of some more common terms on real estate investing, some language that you will hear on a day-to-day basis. On this channel, you will get numerous tips and tools on how to save money, how to make money. I post 2 to 3 times a week on real estate investing, wholesaling, on finance, tips, tools, and helping you to overall become a better you. So jumping right in without further ado, the first term is escrow. Escrow is a neutral third party that holds on to the money before you close, before you transfer the deed. Escrow. Escrow is usually the attorney, the closing attorney, or the title company. The next one is eviction. Eviction is the legal process to have a tenant removed. Remember what a tenant is on the last video, but it's the legal process that the court have in place to legally remove a tenant for non-payment or violations or whatever have you. So evictions is the court process to have a tenant removed. The next is HELOC. That's the slang word for HELOC. HELOC, home equity line of credit. You can use your home equity line of credit as a funding source, and there's so many different things, and we'll have a video on some of the sources and some of the ways you can utilize your home equity line credit that kind of goes into finance. Because an investor is a person, an individual or company or entity that puts money into real estate, real property, whether it be land or real property, and they sit and watch it grow. They turn it to make money off of it. Full rehab here. Investor buys and sell and make a profit off of real estate. Liquidity. Liquidity is just that. It's liquid funds that you can pull out at any moment, at any time. Liquidity is something you can pull out of the funds or money that you can pull out of a house, money that you can pull out of an investment that's liquidable, a checking account, a savings account. Those are liquidable that you can instantly go in, and it's like liquidity. It doesn't take time. It's not paper. It's actual liquid cash. The next one is due diligence. You'll hear that all the time from any and everybody that's even in the real estate industry, whether they're an investor, a realtor, a title company. You'll see that all the time, and you'll see that and hear due diligence. Due diligence is the time period that you have to do your inspections, to check all your facts. So due diligence is period of time to check your facts and to do your inspection. A lien can be placed on a house, and it's the demand for payment on a house. Once the debt owed has been discharged or paid, then the lien will be released. There will no longer be a possession or a right of possession due to non-payment once that lien has been cured, once that lien has been discharged or paid. Another term you'll hear often that you definitely need to know and understand is passive income. I talk about passive income all the time on this channel. Again, these are some common words. There's so much more, and if you'd like for me to give you even more, or if you'd like for me to do a part 3 to another video of more terms and go into detail and definition and explain and what they mean, feel free to comment. Matter of fact, if you haven't already subscribed, if I'm giving you valuable information, if this channel has made a difference, or just this video have given you some information that you can use and it's valuable, please do me a favor. If you could, go ahead and subscribe now. If you need additional help and you just need that assistant, that one-on-one, feel free to look down in the description below and schedule a coaching call with me. I've been doing real estate since 2003, so I'm pretty familiar with the different techniques, the different strategies. I'm pretty familiar with the ins and outs of investing, of being a landlord, of some finances, getting into real estate, getting into certain areas, different creative financing ways. I'm pretty familiar with that. So stay on board and always stay to the end, because I always give some type of nugget, something else that you can take with you into the next video, or that you can take with you on your journey that's going to help you out, help you save money or make money. I randomly select new subscribers and mention them on the next RENA MOMONEY video. And speaking of shout outs, I want to give a warm shout out to Nina S for subscribing. Thank you so much. Thank you for starting your journey. NB, welcome aboard. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing and starting to become a better you. Also, Julia M and Dominique Singleton. Thank you again. I appreciate you much. Continue to watch the RENA MOMONEY video. As a subscriber, you'll also get monthly free resources. I also have some more resources down in the description below. Some are free, some are not, but take a look and see what you need to continue your journey with this real estate investing. So look in the description below. There's some resources on texting. There's some resources on marketing. And the time is now for real estate. This is a seller's market, and regardless of what market, there's a technique and tool that you can use to continue to make money in real estate. So with that being said, let's jump right back into some more terms. Passive income. Passive income, that's one of the main goals that you want to make sure that you include in your real estate journey. Some folk are in the beginning and you're probably trying to wholesale and trying to raise up capital, and we talked about that on a previous video. Make sure you take some time out and go look at the playlist or look at some previous videos that I mentioned on getting started and some ways to help you if you're broke and getting started and doing some investing. Passive income is one of the goals that you want to work towards. That may not be the final goal. Some people's final goal is to be a lender. Passive income is where you earn money, where you earn income, where you earn money without actively working for it, without actively doing anything. Rentals is an example, affiliate marketing is an example, and there's so much more passive income sources. The next term that you should know and be familiar with is rent rate. That's pretty common. It's basically the amount that you're charging for the use of a property, the rent rate. Single family resident is a house, a one family household. Single family resident can be a 3-bedroom house, a 4-bedroom, it can be a 6-bedroom if it's a single family resident. The next common word is duplex. Duplex is just that, two, duplex. You hear duplex, it's a house divided into 2 apartments. So it's normally an apartment that has 2 doors for 2 families, a duplex. It can be up and down duplex, or a duplex can be side by side. Quadruplex is just that. It's housing for 4 family housing, 2 on the side, 2 at the bottom, however it is. There's 4 units, 4 different addresses, maybe ABC or different addresses, and that's a quadruplex. So that's a 4-unit building, a 4-unit apartment. Duplex is a 2-unit apartment. I've gone over about 11 or 12 terms. Again, there's so many more. I'll make another part 3 if you think that you need some more terms. These are common terms. We'll go over some more. If this is some valuable information, and if I'm helping you out and you didn't have to go pay $10,000 for a course or $5,000 for a course just to get the basics, smash the subscribe button. That helps me out. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Also like, comment if it's something that you really want to just say to me. Be sure to watch the next video. It's sure to give you more valuable information that will help you out. So I hope this video was helpful in giving you some terms that you can better understand that will make you comfortable as you dive into real estate. Again, this video is not just for beginners. It's for those that's willing to learn and that's open to get the real estate lingo down. In every industry, there's a language. There's some lingo. There's some slang. There's real estate terms that you should know. And in every business, there's terms and vocabulary that you should know. So congratulate yourself on taking these steps to learn these terms. Thank you, and you take care.